welcome to Left-Handed Luck Sport. I'm the JM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, Day 20. We have picked this thing for the last 19 days, getting progressively harder each day, and we will continue until the end of this month. We are trying to do this to promote Lock Sport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. So we picked days 1 through 6, all standard pins, and then spools until day 12, serrated until day 18, and now we're on pure randomness for the last 2 days. So this random configuration is a serrated, standard, mushroom, standard, and instead of putting this on a vise, I'm just going to do a quick and dirty pick of this thing. And hope that I get sort of lucky. This is what I do on low security locks, where I just go in and have a pick around. So got a pop on 6. Three gave us a pop. Six give us a slight pop again. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. I got clicks off of 2. Then switch over to the medium hook to try to push those pins in place, and there we go. No messing around today. So I'm going to get this thing gutted, and then we can run our program to see what we will be doing tomorrow. Be right back. So there we go. We have all 6 pins in the plug there. And now we can go ahead and gut this guy. So in slot 1, we have our serrated. In 2, we have our serrated. In 3, we have a standard. 4, we have the mushroom. And 1 more standard, actually 2 more standards in the back. So there's our first one and our second one. And we did also have random springs in here as well. I don't want to pull them all out because that's a little bit ridiculous. But there's one in chamber 1, there's one in chamber 6, and we can't really see the rest, but I think those were the only 2 that were in there, but I can't really see either way. So let's get our random pin generator out, a random chamber generator out. This is Pythonista. All right, so instead of fighting with the camera today, let's put it on manual focus. So if you want this code, it's really simple to use. You just type in the lock you have over here. This is also really good if you're searching on eBay, you got enough money for 1 lock, but you want to buy 3, you can just type them in there, and then set that number of chambers to 0, and it will automatically choose one of the locks in this list, and it will ignore the rest. But in this case, we only have 1 lock. We have 6 pins, we have 1 key, we have 2 types of springs, we have 1 type of key pin, and 4 types of driver pins. So with that said, all we have to do is type or press that play button. We got steel spring mushroom, steel mushroom, steel serrated, copper spool, steel spool, and copper serrated. So there you go. That is going to be quite a lock to pick. And, well, we can just deal with that tomorrow. So until then, if you liked it, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates every time I release a new video. And until tomorrow, peace.